Ever wondered how a package travels from a warehouse in China to your doorstep in New York in just a few days? It's a complex dance of logistics and shipping, juggling millions of packages every single day. Imagine a ballet of boxes, each with its own unique journey, made possible by the marvel of modern technology. From tracking codes to automated sorting, technology plays a pivotal role in ensuring your package arrives safely and promptly. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating journey of a package right from the warehouse to your doorstep. Imagine a package sitting in a warehouse, ready to embark on a journey across continents. The first leg of this journey begins with order processing. As soon as you hit confirm purchase, the wheels start turning. Your order is received and the item is pulled from the shelves. From there, it's on to packaging. Here, the item is securely wrapped and boxed up, preparing it for the long journey ahead. Next comes labeling. This small sticker is like the passport for your package, containing all the necessary information for its voyage. The address, the zip code, even the barcode, all play a crucial role in ensuring the package reaches the right destination. But how does the warehouse keep track of all these packages? Enter warehouse management systems. These advanced systems help in tracking and managing the inventory, ensuring each package is accounted for and correctly dispatched. Now that the package is ready, it's time for it to start its journey. The package has left the warehouse. It's on its way, but how does it know where to go? Well, the journey of a package is quite an adventure, teeming with twists and turns. Let's dive in. After leaving the warehouse, our little package might find itself on a truck, a ship, or even an airplane. This is where freight services come into play, providing the physical transportation needed for our package's globe-trotting adventure. Now, imagine the package crossing international borders. That's where customs clearance steps in, ensuring all the legal and regulatory requirements are met. It's like the package's passport to travel the world. And of course, keeping track of the package's whereabouts is key. Enter tracking systems. These tech marvels use barcodes and GPS to monitor the package's every move, making sure it's always heading to the right place. Finally, after traversing roads, seas, and skies, the package arrives at its destination. The journey is almost over. The package has arrived in your city, but how does it get to your doorstep? Picture this. The package is sorted at your local depot, a hub of activity where countless packages are organized for delivery. Then, our delivery personnel plan their routes, jigsawing together the most efficient paths. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. Your package, having journeyed thousands of miles, lands at your doorstep. And there you have it. That's how a package travels thousands of miles to reach you. But here's a question for you. Do you know how drones are revolutionizing the delivery process? Share your answers in the comments below.